Emailing like a pro is low-hanging fruit in the fact that it's easy to do and makes a big impression. If you don't want to be taken seriously, take your cell phone out and send an email of a screenshot like this. You can't even look at the entire thing unless you zoom out. Not only is this hard to read, but it's extremely unprofessional and looks like you don't care about your work. A better way to do this would be to simply highlight the data that you want to copy down. Simple Control-C will do, nothing fancy here. And then once you get to your email, hit Control-V for paste. And we're going to want to select the top left to select all right. Where are you? Right here. Go to Autofit and select Autofit to content. This looks way better and way more professional, and it's extremely easy to read. There's other options within the Autofit. The other one is Autofit to Windows. However, I'm not a huge fan of this. This looks a little too spacey, so hit Control-Z to bring it back. And once you send it, you can copy this back into your Excel sheet. Same thing, simple Control-C, Control-V. Get over here, where are you? And you can see it's exactly the same format as before. Maybe you had to Autofit a column or two, but it's extremely easy to transfer your data and it's very presentable. Let's say you're sending to a cell phone or somewhere where they don't have Excel and you want to format it as a picture instead. Go to your Insert tab and select Screenshot and Capture Screenshot. From there, you can click and drag into the fields that you'd like. Go ahead and cut this with Control-X, bring up the email, and Control-V. Nothing too crazy about this one. And for my favorite technique is to send a screenshot using a BitNet formatted picture. We go to Copy and Copy as Picture. This is a special copy. Now go ahead and select BitMap, hit OK. My favorite part about this though is how fast you can do it. Simply push Alt-H-C-A-B and you're right there. To see it one more time very fast, I can't even say it, it's too fast. And then simply, you know what to do, Control-V. Now, sending screenshots is extremely professional and very presentative, but if we want to send an attachment, you can also do that from your Excel file by clicking the drop-down menu by your quick access toolbar and click on More Commands. From there, we can go to Popular Commands and just scroll down until you see Email. Looks like I passed it. There you are. Click Add and OK. And then simply click that button and there you have it. We have, there we have it. We have the attachment right there for us, ready for us. And the best part about this is if you set this up one time, that button will be there forever. So you'll have this quick access whenever you want. That's it for this. Go out and try this on your own.